What's going on, everyone? Today is October the 23rd, 2021. This is our lookout live stream session to where I wanted to come in, go live to show all of our subscribers, show everyone who views our videos that you are able to do this for yourself. And we got a couple of cryptocurrencies that we're going to take a look at today on this video to ensure that you and I are both in position to win from the market move. So what's going on, Bear? I see you here. What's going on, BTC Bangala? We are here. Thank you all for taking the small opportunity out of your day to sit back and watch how we are able to predict these prices so that you and I can both win. Let's go ahead and get started in our video today because I don't want to waste any of your time. So first, let me plug you all into our two perks that we have here on this channel, right? We got two perks. The first one is our apprentice perk. And when you purchase this particular perk, you are able to get access to our custom emoji badges, right? You guys can see right here to where we created some custom emojis to give everyone the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with us. You guys can do that here for $1.99. And not only that, you guys can see these member badges right here. So it shows everyone that you are a supporter of our channel, that you appreciate the content that we are garnering here. You get all of that for $1.99. And then we got a second perk right here, the lookout. Now, this is what we're doing right now. This particular live stream is our lookout session to where we collaborate with our subscribers, with those who are under this artisan perk, to where we can look at some other markets, right? I cannot look at every particular cryptocurrency and stock that you may find interesting. So if you guys think a play is in a different market, then we'll go ahead and take a look at that market to see, okay, cool. Let's see where the market is going to go, right? So that is the artisan perk. That's $4.99 a month in order for us to collaborate and see where these particular markets are going to go. So now, we have about 3 cryptocurrencies that I said, so I don't think this live stream is going to be extremely long, but you guys can see we're going to go through these 3 cryptocurrencies, see where we're expecting the market to go, and if so, we're going to continue to rock out and expect the market to go up or down. All right, so real quick, let's look at Geek. You guys can even see here that we did a price prediction not long ago into the market in Geek. You guys can see here on July the 10th, 2021, we played the market strength for Geek. We were expecting the market to go up in price, and literally that is what the price has done. I mean, you guys can literally tell for yourself that the market price in Geek has gone up. So if I were to extend this out further, we actually hit our ultimate TP price right here about 2 days ago, or a day ago, October the 22nd, 2021, to where we was looking for the market in Geek to hit $1. Right there. So that's about 81%, almost 82% right there, right? Check that out. You see that? Hey, what's going on, King David? Harmony One is up almost 30%. Good job. Good stuff. So we called that right there back in July, expecting the market in Geek to go up. So it wasn't hard. It wasn't complicated. The question now is, are we going to see the market going up to $2? Can we see the price in Geek go up $2? That's the question that I'm posing to everyone who is watching this video, because there's a couple of areas that I'm already seeing in Geek that shows us that we can see some restriction right around here, around $1.50. But the biggest area of restriction that I'm noticing in the market in Geek is right here around $2. So the question, can we see the market in Geek hit $2? Because if so, we want to get back in position just like we did back in July and continue to ride this market strength in Geek to the upside, right? So now, I'm still looking for the market to go up in Geek, but there's a couple of areas that the price can get snagged that will stop the progressional upward move in Geek. And the first area is around $1.50. Like, that's the biggest area that's going to hold us up from going up to that $2 price, $1.50. So let me go ahead and show you all the different time frames into the market in Geek. This is the 5-day time frame. You guys can see that the last couple of 5-day price bars, you guys have been on our live. You guys have been subscribers of this channel for a long time. You guys already know one of the things I want everyone to understand and realize is take a look at the volume. See what the market has done in relation to this volume. You guys can see the last 2 5-day price bars in Geek, we've seen the market go up, right? So it tells us that the market is still trying to go up in price. The market is still healthy. It is still strong. So we're still in that course. There's nothing here so far over the last 10 days of trading in Geek that will substantiate that the market's about to go down yet, right? So we're still expecting the market in Geek to go up in price. Real quick, I'm going to give you all the 3 levels of TP to where I'm looking for the market to try to get hit with more sellers, right? We got to be prepared for that. And the first area is relatively close, $1.50. That area can literally impact Geek's price from going up, $1.50. So we need to be prepared and try to eat off some of this market move at $1.50 at 8.34%. Like, that's how much we'll be able to get off the market play in Geek right there. Second area for us to eat out the market is going to be up here towards $1.77 or $1.75. That's the second area for us to eat out the market. That's 28.25% profitability or move higher in price in Geek. Now, the ultimate area that we're looking for the market in Geek to go towards is $2. That's another 45, almost 46% profitability for us to see the market move in Geek. So I'm still looking for the price to go up in Geek, right? Now, as long as that's the case, this prediction will stay valid unless we see the market break 90 cents to the downside. As long as price in Geek stays above 90 cents, I'm looking for it to go up. Plain and simple. So let me take this back over to the daily time frame because I want us to look at this from a daily perspective, and then we'll come back in whenever our artisan member wants us to take a look at Geek and do an update video on it. Okay. So it's about right here. Let me move this down just a tad. And now we are seeing what we're expecting the market to do. Okay, now it might take a while, it might take 2 weeks, might take 3 weeks, might even take to the end of December, end of the year, for us to see the price in Geek go up there to that $2 price. But it doesn't mind. It doesn't even matter because we're expecting it to go there anyway. We're just already in position, just waiting. Okay, so now that's the first one. And the second one, I haven't even done a price prediction for, which is Morpheus. Have you guys heard of Morpheus? Let's take a look at this particular market. We're going to look at this on KuCoin. All right. This is Morpheus Labs. Have you guys heard of it? Have you guys even seen this particular cryptocurrency before? Because it's been around since February 2021, at least being traded on the KuCoin exchange. It might have been longer than that, but it started trading on KuCoin back in February of 2021. Have you guys heard of it? Because I haven't done a price prediction for this market before, but it doesn't matter because as long as you understand how the market works, we can go in any market and win and profit. So let's do this right now in Morpheus, because one of the first things you guys should already tell is seeing where we are noticing some hang up, right? We're seeing the market in Morpheus get hung up right there around 8 cents. That's a problem, right? That is holding the price from going up. Now, since that's the case, should we be bullish right now since we are trading right below 8 cents? Or should we just sit back and wait and see if the market breaks above 8 cents? Because if it breaks above 8 cents, then we're going to hit 9, maybe even 10 cents. That's simple. So let's identify that as a problem area. 8 cents is a problem area in Geek. I mean, not Geek, in Morpheus right there. That's a problem. And we should be surprised because back here in March, we even saw the market get rejected at 8 cents when we first started trading in February and March timeframe. We are now approaching the same problem again, right? You guys can see it as I move this arrow down this horizontal line. You guys can see how visible the market in Morpheus has gotten rejected. Okay, cool. So now we need to determine, since we now know that 8 cents is impacting Morpheus price of going up, what is the outcome? What is the probability of the market breaking above 8 cents now? We need to see if that's something that can happen. So real quick, let's go ahead and look at this on the 3-day time frame in Morpheus. You guys can see that we're still pretty much in an upward trend in Morpheus. The market strength is not that strong, but we're holding our own, right? The market is able to hold its own even amongst the selling that is currently going on that 3-day time frame. Weekly time frame, you guys can see that it's pretty good spread, right? We got a day and 7 hours left. So what we are noticing right now on this weekly time frame in Morpheus, it could change, right? We can see the price come all the way back down to 6 cents in Morpheus, which would be majorly inducive of a lot of selling going on in the market. So let me give you that notice too. Okay. But right now, if today was the last day of the week, then I will be looking for the market in Morpheus to go up. Simple. Okay. So right now, currently as it stands, I'm looking for the market price in Morpheus to go up. Today was the last. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's play the strength into the market in Morpheus, right? Let's go ahead and look at that. And let's go ahead and play this strength. Okay. Now, just like I did in Geek, as long as the price in Morpheus holds 6 cents, I'm going to look for it to try to go up. Now, we might get rejected the first time, hitting 8 cents, trying to break above 8 cents. That's cool. No problems, no issues, no qualms about it. But as long as the market trades above 6 cents, we're going to look for it to go up. Okay. So now, since we're looking for the price in Geek in Morpheus to go up, okay, where do you think the next area of restrictions is going to be? Right, we've established that we're going to look for the price in Morpheus to go up, right? After 8 cents, do you think 9 cents is going to be restriction? Do you think 9.5 cents, 10 cents is going to be restriction, right? Because currently I'm looking for Morpheus to get rejected right there around 9 cents first. Okay, we want to be prepared, eat off the market in Morpheus right there around 9 cents, which is around 17%. And then ultimately maybe around like 9.5 to 10 cents, which is around 26% profitability. Simple, done, over. So we're going to play the strength into the market in Morpheus here. On KuCoin, I'm not necessarily sure if a lot of people are tracking this particular market, but we can still see the strength, anticipating to continue to go up in Morpheus right there. Okay, so that's it. That is Morpheus. Now I got one more, and then we're going to be done, right? It doesn't take long to go out and analyze these markets. We don't have to go in and look at 15 articles and read upon it to see where price is going to go. The market is already dictating based off what everyone has already done as to where people are expecting it to go. So all we have to do is come in, do a quick surveillance of what the market looks like, see if there's a play here, and if so, we grab it. If not, we move on to another market. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you this last one that we're going to talk about, and it is Cardano. Our artisan member wants us to take another look at Cardano because we do cover Cardano regularly on this channel. We do watch the market, and currently we've already did a price prediction right here, October the 16th, 2021. So you could go back and look at our Cardano playlist to see what I said in regards to what we're looking forward to, because you can see here that we're playing the strength into the market in Cardano. Now, right now, you guys don't see the price going up, right? We really don't see that. Market in Cardano is still consolidating. And I'm going to continue to go on with my price prediction of looking for price to go up in Cardano so long as the market in Cardano does not break this to the downside, $1.90. Okay, as long as the market trades above $1.90, I'm going to continue to hold on towards seeing the price in Cardano go up. Now, I'm not extremely bullish into the market of Cardano. I'm not one of the ones telling you that ADA is going to hit $1,500 per coin. No, I'm not that type of person. I look at what everyone else has already done and give you all a more realistic approach as to how the price really fluctuates on a day-to-day basis in the cryptocurrency markets. So I'm looking for the price in ADA to go up. I'm not extremely bullish. You guys can see my ultimate TP price is around 250, and that gives us around 13% market move here on this chart. 3-day time frame, you guys can see here that literally the market in Cardano on the last 3-day price bar is still showing us that there's sellers here. Now, is my prediction in jeopardy of being broken? It is. Based on what happened on the last 3-day time frame, I'm gonna give it to you real. The market over the last 3 days have shown us that more sellers are still present in this market, and we don't want to see that. We wanted to see the price in ADA on this last completed 3-day price bar close towards the high, but it didn't. It closed down there towards the bottom. So that tells me that my price prediction that I did in Cardano on October the 13th is in jeopardy of being wrong. I understand that. I see that. So I'm not going to be emotional. I'm not going to be fearful. I'm not going to be nervous because I can see what the market has already done. So now the question is, on this current 3-day price bar, which I am currently watching, we have a day and 7 hours left. If this current 3-day price bar does not close higher than the previous 3-day price bar, then yeah, I'm leaning more towards that my price prediction is going to be wrong. I can see that. So So we got a day and 7 hours left. And so far we are noticing that the demand is still present. Like the market is still wanting to see ADA go up. So I'm going to hold on to my price prediction. It just seems like it's going to take a while for us to actually hit that $2.50 price. It does. Now, I'm quite sure on our video that we did in Cardano that we said to be prepared to take some profitability out the market in ADA right there around $2.30. I'm not sure. We'll have to go back. It is recorded to see if I said whether or not we need to eat off the market right there around $2.30. Now, let me see what the charts look like in ADA on a longer term time frame, because if it looks even weaker on a weekly time frame, then we're definitely in jeopardy of seeing the market go down. And right now, from this weekly perspective, it does look like that's the case. Over the last 5 weeks consecutively, the market is still showing us weakness. So I might have to come in and do a reversion and say that the price in ADA is going to go down, but not yet. I'm still watching the market. Okay, still watching. And as long as the price really holds $1.90, $1.92, yeah, we can see the price come down, but we cannot let it break it. Because if we break $1.90 to the downside on weakness, then we're going to go a lot lower in price that a lot of people on YouTube are not talking about right now. Okay, so I'm not going to change my price prediction in ADA. It's just simply an update coming in, see if anything changed. Yes, right now I am seeing weakness, right? But it's not to the point where I say, yeah, I need to go ahead and change this out. The market does not look like it wants to go up. Let me take the other side of the trade prediction and expect the market to go down. I don't see that yet, but I'm watching it and I'm seeing some hints that that may be the case, but it's not really relevant and showing itself as of right now. Okay, so that is it. I'm done. This is the Lookout Live. Now, if you guys want to participate with me to try to have our live stream a little while longer, then maybe you guys should join the team. Maybe you guys should become an artisan member so that we can look at some other markets that our other artisan members didn't want to take a look at. If you guys want to do it, again, those doors are open. If not, if you guys can learn from these 3 examples that I've done so far today, then tap in, keep it locked in here, because the information that we have is very powerful. And I'm going to keep it real. I'm going to tell you the honest truth that understanding market dynamics just by looking at price bars and volume is the only thing you need. While everyone here on this particular platform, YouTube, is spending 25, 30, 45 minutes trying to get you all a perception as to where they think the price is going to go. And you're in no better position, right? You want people to start giving you price targets, to start giving you directions. Let's not come in and say, I'm looking for the market to go up, or it could also go down, right? It doesn't work that way. What are you noticing on the charts? Where is your price target? Where are you looking for the market to be in the next 2 to 3 weeks? Don't give me the next 1,500 years. We won't even be around the next 1,500 years. There's even people out here that's telling you to hold on cryptos forever. So if you hold on to cryptocurrencies forever, then that means that you will never make a profit. If you hold on to it, you cannot make a profit. That's one of the things about trading. You got to do a buy and you have to do a sell to complete the cycle of your profitability. Eventually, you have to sell in order to realize your gains. So you cannot hold forever. It's one of those mantras that YouTube tries to get for you to click on the videos. But that's not realistic. You cannot hold cryptocurrency stocks forever. Impossible, right? West Coast LA. If you was an artist member, yeah, we can go ahead and check out Kyber Network, because this current live stream is only for our artisan members. We want to give them an opportunity to look at some other particular markets. So if you guys want to do that, then go ahead and join us on our artisan member perk. Is it a good idea to leverage my ADA by buying alts within the Cardano ecosystem? It's up to you. I mean, it could. It depends on what the other altcoins are doing. Like, do they have any utility? Or is it just one of those hype coins like Shiba Inu or, Dogecoin? Like, the market will be the ultimate deciding factor on the utility of these cryptocurrencies. And if the Dogecoin situation has shown you that it can actually switch over. Dogecoin was a joke. Dogecoin didn't have any utility. But as soon as a couple of notable individuals picked it up, you begin to see that Dogecoin was being listed on multiple exchanges. They're being accepted at multiple venues, like the Dallas Mavericks. Mark Cuban is accepting Dogecoin. Elon Musk is pumping Dogecoin, or talking about it at least. So if you're going to leverage your ADA, make sure that the alts that you're looking into will have a utility. If nobody's even dealing with those altcoins, then there's no need for you to even try to leverage your ADA to them. Now, Cardano, though, is showing itself as a major contender. And I know that the Cardano ecosystem, the foundation, IOHK, and Charles Hoskinson have really taken a stance to do this methodically. Like, they haven't been in a rush to try to make ADA a well-known cryptocurrency or a meme coin, if you guys want to say it. They have taken the steps, like, doctorally, procedurally, to make sure that ADA is going to be a cryptocurrency that is going to be applicable to utility, right? So it's just something, just my thoughts right there. No worries, West Coast. So that's it, everyone. I'm done. About 25 minutes of the video of the live. And now I'll give you your time back. All right. So again, thank you all for taking the opportunity to come and see the video. Hopefully you guys garnered something from our 3 price predictions that we've done, or 3 markets that we looked at. If not, you guys can drop me a comment on the other videos. If you guys got any more questions regarding how can we do this, how can I learn more about this, just keep it here. Just keep it locked in on this channel, because we're going to keep it real. So that's it. Make sure you all maintain a profitability. And like I always like to end the videos with, make sure you trade different. You got to trade different in order to see the bigger picture to what other people don't see. All right. I'll talk to you all later. Have a good one.